Knowledge is power. Information is liberating, and education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. With this quotation, this is me, Adiba Musarrat, daughter of Mr. Akhlaq Ahmed from Little Flower Children School, wishing you a wonderful good evening to the founder and manager of Shafima, Nai Soch Nai Ummeed, Mr. Mahfuzur Rahman, honorable chief guest, judges, teachers, parents and all present here. I am standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on the topic, knowledge is power. So what do you mean by knowledge? Is knowledge all about to solve mathematics and physics numericals? No. Knowledge means the understanding, awareness of formality gained through experiences, education or learning. Walking in a sleep, doing a sport in a sleep, eating in a sleep or even sleeping in a sleep. Man, woman, wake up. Are you at the right place? Are you happy what you are doing in your life? No? Okay. I have some advice for you. It's time to wake up and take the advantage of the access that you have. You did not deserve it, so start learning. Education. When people hear these words, they think only about the school where we go 6 days in a week, where we spend 5 to 6 hours in a day. But it is first of all what you have read, listen, watch outside that building. Whatever you will be learn outside that building, you will use as a weapon to live with your dreams. I am here to prove you that knowledge is power. If knowledge is power, then learning is superpower. Knowledge is the most valuable treasure in the world. Books are the best source of knowledge. Lack of wisdom. What? Lack of wisdom is the curse of unhappiness. It's all about your perspective. How will you perceive the situation? How will you perceive the world? And how will you perceive the people? You can perceive the same situation as a reason to break down or as a motivation. Let's talk with an example. You went bankrupt. You have nothing in your wallet, nothing in your bank account. You had an amazing company, but everything just mangled up. How will you perceive this situation? As a reason for SUICID. As a reason for suicide or as a reason to improve incredible work. So keep studying. I am trying to say that I am challenging you. I am challenging you to go from good. I am challenging you to go from average. Knowledge is power. Knowledge empowers you. And this is the biggest knowledge that you have a unique personality. So never compare yourself with anybody, not for look, not for education, not for nothing. Each and every individual have their own quality. If the world believes to become a successful person or a great person, background is a matter of thinking, then we have the example of Shah Rukh Khan, who is called the Badshah or a man of heart. If the world believes we are sent on this earth to live here only, then we have the example of Neil Armstrong, who landed on the moon. So now my speech ends here. Thank you for listening to me so patiently. Nice meeting you. Have a nice day. Thanks for golden opportunity.